All right, so the parts came. I got my waterway, 2 parts. I got, this is the retaining ring 219-1060, and I got the gunite nozzle, which is this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the one that I have. I made little marks. I'm actually just gonna glue it. I'm gonna take some of this PVC glue and just glue it back, just for the hell of it, so I can measure it. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Okay. Again, I'm not sure why I did that, but there's the old one. So I messed this part up in the video, but I'm going to do it as a voiceover. To get the overall dimension, what you do is you measure just what's gray there, so just the PVC. Let's say, for argument's sake, the PVC alone is 5 inches. Then you measure how far in the PVC is going to go in both pieces. So let's say, for argument's sake, the piece I'm measuring now is 1 inch. So that's going to slide in 1 inch. And then the top part is going to slide in, let's call it a 1/2 inch. So you have the 5 inches that you could see, plus the 1 inch for the bottom is 6, plus another half right there is 6.5. So you'd make the piece of PVC 6.5 inches. I wanted it a little bit smaller, so what I would do is 6.25. But in my case, I messed it up, which is why it's smaller than it should be. But it works. So let's do 5.5. I'd rather, if this is too long, this whole thing, then it's not going to sit flush with the wall. So I got to make this 5.5 inches. All right. Okay, not bad. Let's make sure it's 5.5. 5.5. There's our primer. Just want to get this all the way in. All right, let's see if I can get it all the way in. All right, we got it. This is a smaller area here. I don't need nearly as much of this. I don't think I'm going to put it on both sides this time. Good. Here it is. So, take this, attach this, see if I can screw it all the way in. I don't want to make it too tight. In case I don't have to take it out. There it goes. Okay, that's it. See if I can screw this in by hand. I was able to do the other side. Just don't want to cross-thread it. There we go. Get in there. Okay, good. That's all the way into the wall. Put this in. Now, I'm going to try the bubbles. It's about 2 days later. That's why the water's so much cleaner. All right, let's give it a try. There's no water coming into here yet. All right, it's working. All the bubbles are working. All right, fixed it. Perfect. This is without the water. I gotta fix this. All right, that's it. That is it. It worked. The air works. Maybe I'll redirect the jets just to see. So I'm just gonna turn the diverter so that the water goes from the pool to just the spa. And then we'll try that again. Okay, I just diverted the water. It's all going to the hot tub now. No bubbles yet, just the water. Make sure it's working, all the jets are working. Yeah, it's spinning, it's pulsating. Beautiful. Let's try air. Yep, I don't know if you can see, it's working. All right, let's turn that off.
Okay. That's it. All right, so that's what's inside the wall, and that's how you fix it.